This is Tom. Tom works as a dispatcher at ABC Logistics. Tom uses Cheetah's route editor, which is powered by Cheetah's proprietary algorithm that contains over 4.5 million lines of code, which factors in over 200 unique routing constraints and business rules. The Cheetah route editor is best viewed in a multi-screen environment, but here you can see it in a single monitor view. All the panels are movable, and Tom can filter through the tabs to see all the features and functionalities. In front of Tom is a detailed panel map that has the ability to be zoomed in or zoomed out and can be dragged left or right on the screen. To see a route's information, Tom selects a driver in the Active Routes panel, in this case, Route 56, James Malik. In the Route Info panel right below, he can now see James's day, his information, how many stops he's made, how many stops he has left, miles, and time remaining on the day, and also the details of James's vehicle in weight, units, cubes, and pieces. This allows Tom to be able to see the remaining capacity on James's vehicle in case he needs to utilize it for future pickups, and the Cheetah algorithm will factor this for future routing decisions. Tom has the ability to see James's stop details at the bottom of the screen. He can easily select information and split stops, join stops, and even move a stop to a different route if he needs to. Tom can also cancel a stop or remove a stop for whatever reason might be needed, such as bad weather. This information is updated automatically in real time on James's Cheetah mobile app. On the map, Tom can see James's completed stops, future stops, and predicted ETAs. Tom has the ability to move a route or a stop within James's route. If he wants to move stop number 2 to later in the day, Cheetah will inform Tom about the changes to miles and minutes of this move. In this case, the move will result in an increase of 6 minutes and 4.3 miles. It's then up to Tom to either submit that move or to undo it. If he goes ahead and submits it, the route will automatically be updated and Cheetah will notify Tom that the submit operation was successful, as well as notifying James's mobile of the stop move. Now, as you can see, the stop has been moved to later in the route. On the left side of the screen, Tom has the Unassigned Stop panel. It shows the unassigned stops for the day that need to be allocated to drivers. The magic in Cheetah's algorithm is the real-time decision-making ability of the Best button. If Tom didn't have Cheetah, he would be making a decision on where he thinks drivers are going to be and what they are doing to choose the best driver for the stop. Cheetah's algorithm uses over 200 unique routing constraints and business rules to rank these drivers, which allows Tom to find the guaranteed best driver in seconds. Tom is then notified not only how many miles and minutes the stop will take, but who the best driver for the given stop is. If Tom does not want to give this stop to James for any reason, he can push the next best button and Cheetah will return the next best driver to perform the stop. In this case, Tom is happy because James is in fact the best choice. Tom can then hit submit. James will be updated with the latest stop information via his mobile device. This is some of the functionality that Tom would utilize in a day in the life of a dispatcher.